Today we're going to be doing cracked doll makeup. Let's get right into it. Things first, I'm going to take my Athena palette and I'm going to paint my whole face black. Just using a sponge, I'm going to dip into the black and get it really on there. And then I'm just going to pat it on my face and I'm going to build up the color that I want. It is going to take a little while to get the color that you would like, but that's kind of the thing behind these creative looks. They do take a while to create. All right, so I think I've done enough with that and we're gonna start getting the face mask ready to put over this. So I'm just putting it on my face and trying to get it like as even as I can everywhere. It's not exactly the easiest to apply. A silicone applicator definitely would have been better. So keep that in mind if you do this. I'm just using my fingers and that's definitely helping me smooth it out, just so you're aware. So I think it's dry enough. I'm gonna do layer 2. Once it's all dry, then we're gonna apply the makeup. Don't use powdered, it's not gonna work well. Liquid makeup works best. My favorite part about this trend is cracking the clay mask, and here it comes. And then I used black liquid eyeliner to make it look more realistic. Here comes my husband to give his 2 cents on this look. What do you think?
Wow. It looks just like a cracked doll.
Does it? You like it?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I really like the way it turned out.
Absolutely amazing. Great job, Michelle.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm gonna go film some ends of the transitions, and you definitely have to keep your eyes out for those. Bye!